Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a hyperlink in OneNote on your iPhone. Let's begin. To add a hyperlink in OneNote on your iPhone, you just have to follow with these simple steps. Number one option is open the OneNote and select your note. Alright, so launch the OneNote app on your iPhone, and of course, I want you to open the note where you want to add the hyperlink. Now, basically, what I wanted to do is add our website, which is going to be the deeplabs.com. This one right here. I want to hyperlink this to a text in on my iPhone, on my mobile device. So I'm gonna quickly switch over again to the iPhone. What I'm going to do is long press, since I've copied the URL already. Right click on the paste button, and then what will happen is it will be pasted here on my device. It's kind of easy. Not only that, you also have an option to just type in the website, because iPhone has that feature that it automatically translates if it recognizes a website. For example, you see this, I'm gonna type in Deep Labs or maybe youtube.com. You see it's converting to a hyperlink, right? It's kind of like an easy that lets you easily link to external websites, documents, or online resources. Obviously, it saves time by eliminating the need to search for URLs or files manually. Linking to related notes, sections, or pages within OneNote can help you keep your notes organized. You can create an interconnected network of related content. For example, gear. You tap the this three dots icon and copy link to page. Now, if you hover down here and paste it, what will happen is you have now an option to hyperlink that. It's kind of really easy. And all you have to do is open, copy, or edit. There are multiple ways for you to do something here. All right? Because, for example, G Plus right here, if you click on it, you see hyperlinks makes it easier to share important documents or resources with collaborators, which is, in our case, we are a handful of individuals here in G Plus YouTube channel production. One of is our main client, and of course, one of are the team members who handles the research, the background, the back end, and the creatives. All right, so we link shared files and project management tools or relevant online content, streamlining our teamwork. Instead of scrolling down to long notes or notebooks, hyperlinks allows us to jump directly to the relevant page or section, saving time and reducing distractions. Hyperlinking in OneNote is kind of easy because it also enhances the efficiency, organization, and of course, an access to additional information here, which improves the note-taking experience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.